Hello everyone, welcome to D Sales Academy, German language course. Today we are going to learn about foodstuffs. In German, the word for foodstuffs is das Lebensmittel. Das Lebensmittel. Foodstuff, provision, food and so on. We already learned in one of the videos that there are different articles in German, der masculine, the feminine, das neutral, and so now we have this word Lebensmittel and the article is das, it is neutral. Das Lebensmittel, foodstuffs. What are the things that come under this category? For example, the fruits. We say in German, das Obst. Das Obst. Obst means fruits, Obst. Then we have Gemüse. Das Gemüse is vegetables. Vegetables, das Gemüse. Das Gemüse, umlaut, das Gemüse. Then das Getreide. Das Getreide is the cereals, corn or grains like rice or wheat, whatever come under this category. Das Getreide. Then we have das Getränk. Getränk is drink, whatever we drink like water, cola, milk, all these come under this category. So, das Obst, das Gemüse, das Getreide, das Getränk. Then we have das Fleisch. Das Fleisch is meat. Das Fleisch, meat. Then we have der Fisch. Article is different here. Der Fisch. Now see, in English we write fish slightly different. Der Fisch, one SCH, der Fisch. So these are the main things that we use or we mean when we say Lebensmittel. So das Obst is fruit, das Gemüse is vegetables, das Getreide is cereals or corn or grains, das Getränk is drink, das Fleisch is meat, der Fisch is fish. Okay, now let's look at some fruits that we eat in our daily life situation. Apfel. Article for apfel is der. Thus, we already learned in the first class itself, der Apfel. Der Apfel is apple. So, article is der Apfel. As you can see, all the nouns in Germans are always written in capital letter. Now we look at all these words. These are nouns. In German we call them Nomen. Nomen means noun. So the nouns are always written in capital letter. So when we look at these articles, we know what comes after article will be written in big letter. Okay, so it is written in capital letter. So der Apfel. So now we have something else. It's a pomegranate in English, and in German we say der Granatapfel. Der Granatapfel. Same article, der Granatapfel. Der Apfel, der Granatapfel. Then we have this fruit, mango. In English also mango, and in German also it's the same. Article is der Mango. Der Mango. So it's also written in the same way, so it's easy for you. You have only to learn the article der Mango. Then we have something here, and this is watermelon. Die Wassermelone. Die Wassermelone. Article is different. Die Wasser. So we learned the word Wasser is water. Wassermelone. Watermelon. The Wassermelone. Then we have this pineapple. The ananas. The ananas. Here also article is feminine. The ananas. Ananas. The ananas. Then we have our common fruit in India or in Kerala, banana. The banana. The banana. The banana. Banana. The banana. Then we have grape or the grapes. The Traube. In German we call the Traube. The Traube. The banana, the Traube is grape. Then we have here, it's a lemon. The citrone. The citrone. Citrone. Traube, grapes. Citrone, lemon. So these are the fruits generally we use. Once again, let's go through this. Der Apfel, der Granatapfel, der Apfel, der Granatapfel, der Mango, the Wassermelone, the Wassermelone, the ananas, the ananas, the banana, the banana, the Traube, the Traube, the citrone, the citrone. So all these come under the category Obst. Thus Obst, fruits. So you learned today some words that we use everyday in our everyday life situation. They are fruits and we have learned these words. So when you eat them, you can pronounce these words in German and you will not forget these words when you use them in a daily basis. Okay. Now if we are eating something, before the meal, it's a custom that we wish each other, we say good appetite. In English we say good appetite or enjoy your meal. So in German we say guten Appetit. So before eating we wish each other and say guten Appetit. Guten Appetit. Entschuldigung. Guten Appetit. Guten Appetit. So you say guten Appetit. So how will you respond that? Thank you, danke, gleichfalls. Danke, gleichfalls. Gleichfalls means wish you the same. Thank you, wish you the same. So before we eat something, especially the food, before lunch, before supper, we can say this guten Appetit. And how, if someone tells you guten Appetit, how will you answer? Danke, gleichfalls. Guten Appetit, danke, gleichfalls. So if you would like to ask someone, what do you like to eat? How to ask that in German? What would you like to eat? Was essen Sie gern? Was essen Sie gern? Was means what? Essen, we already learned the word. Essen means to eat. Was essen Sie gern? What do you eat or what do you love to eat? Was essen Sie gern? So how do we answer that? Ich esse Obst gern. For example, ich esse Obst gern. Ich esse Obst gern. Was essen Sie gern? Ich esse Obst gern. Ich esse Gemüsegarn, ich esse Pizzagarn, ich esse Reisgarn. Whatever we eat, we can just give the name here. Ich esse das gern. Okay, now this is the C form. Was essen Sie gern? So how will we ask the do form? Was, conjugation of the verb, essen mit du, was ist du gern? Was ist du gern? So the answer is the same. This is only the form is different. This is C form, this is do form. Was ist du gern? Ich esse Obst gern, ich esse Gemüse gern, and so on. So the word gern means what do you love to do. So that is a special word here. Was essen Sie gern? So it can also mean gladly. So if someone asks you, möchten Sie Obst essen? And if you like to eat, then you can say gern. That means I love to do that. So it's a nice way of answering. So we have now learned two questions. Was essen Sie gern? Or was isst du gern? Okay. So we have learned this about the footsteps, das Lebensmittel, and we learned the fruits that we eat on a daily basis, das Obst. Then we learned der Apfel, der Granatapfel, der Mango, the Banane, the Zitrone, the Wassermelone, the Ananas, the Traube, and so on. So in no time we learned a few words in German, the footsteps, and especially fruits today. So when you eat these fruits, remember these words in German, and if you enjoyed watching this video, I request you to subscribe this video and share it with your friends. We will come again and we will meet next in the next video. Till then, cheers.